The AK-47 is one of the most well-known guns in the world. It's been featured in countless movies and video games, and is instantly recognizable by pretty much everyone. But what makes the AK so special? What is it about this weapon that has made it so popular over the years? There are actually quite a few reasons for the AK's success, but in this video we'll be discussing 10 of them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 10. Cheap to produce. The AK-47 was designed in the late 1940s as a cheap and easy to manufacture assault rifle, and it definitely succeeded in this regard. The rifle consists of just 32 parts, which is significantly fewer than many other firearms of its day. This makes it much easier to put together and maintain, which is important when you consider that it often sees use in areas where people do want to have access to gunsmiths or replacement parts. As a result of these factors, the AK is one of the cheapest assault rifles to produce, costing only around $80 per unit. This affordability has made it possible for militaries and rebel groups alike to arm large numbers of people with AKs without breaking the bank. 9. Durable. One of the main reasons for the AK's success is its incredible durability. This is due to the fact that the rifle is made from stamped sheet metal rather than machined components. While this may sound like a drawback, it actually gives the AK several advantages. First, it means that the rifle can withstand a lot of abuse and still continue to function. This is because stamped metal is much stronger than machined metal in certain situations. Second, it means that the AK is extremely lightweight, making it very easy to carry around all day. Finally, it means that the rifle is very resistant to corrosion, meaning that it can be used in a variety of climates without degrading in performance. All of these factors have made the AK-47 one of the most reliable assault rifles ever created. 8. Simple operation. Another reason for the AK's popularity is its simplicity of operation. The rifle is very easy to use, even for people who have never fired a gun before. This is because the AK has a very smooth action that is not difficult to learn how to shoot. In addition, the rifle has a very simple 3-round burst fire mode, meaning that it is very accurate when used correctly. Finally, the AK is very easy to disassemble and clean, which helps to keep the rifle in good working order. 7. Common ammunition. The AK-47 fires a 7.62 mm round, which is one of the most common rifle cartridges in the world. This means that there is always a ready supply of ammunition available, no matter where the rifle is used. In addition, the AK's magazine can be easily converted to accept different types of ammunition, making it very versatile. Finally, the 7.62 mm round is a very effective man-stopping caliber, making the AK-47 deadly in close quarters combat. All of these factors have made the AK one of the most popular assault rifles ever created. 6. Effective range. The AK-47 has an effective range of up to 600 meters, making it one of the longest-ranged assault rifles in the world. This is due to the fact that the rifle fires a high-powered round and has a very accurate barrel. In addition, the AK has a detachable magazine, which allows the user to quickly reload the rifle. This makes the AK one of the most effective assault rifles for long-range engagements. However, it's important to note that the AK is not intended to be used beyond 600 meters. Beyond this range, the accuracy of the rifle begins to diminish, and the rounds are unlikely to cause lethal damage. Despite this, the AK-47 remains one of the most popular assault rifles for long-range engagements due to its accuracy and powerful round. 5. High magazine capacity. The AK-47 comes with a standard 30-round magazine, but can also be fitted with magazines that hold up to 100 rounds. This makes the rifle one of the assault rifles with the highest magazine capacity in the world. This capacity is due to the fact that the AK uses a very efficient feeding system that can quickly and reliably deliver rounds from the magazine to the chamber. In addition, the AK's high magazine capacity makes it very versatile. For example, soldiers can use the rifle to engage multiple targets without having to reload. They can also use the rifle to suppress enemy fire from a distance. Finally, the AK's high magazine capacity makes it very effective in close quarters combat. Soldiers can use the rifle to fire at multiple enemies without having to worry about missing a shot. Overall, the AK-47's high magazine capacity is one of the main reasons for its popularity as an assault rifle. 4. Simple to maintain. The AK-47 is one of the easiest assault rifles to maintain in the world. This is due to the fact that the rifle has very few parts and is made from stamped sheet metal. These factors make it very easy to disassemble the rifle and clean its individual parts. In addition, the AK-47 is very reliable, meaning that it does not often break down and require repairs. This is due to the rifle's simple design and robust construction. Finally, the AK-47 is very affordable to maintain. Replacement parts are cheap and plentiful, and even professional repairs are relatively inexpensive. All of these factors have made the AK-47 one of the most popular assault rifles ever created. No. 3. Lightweight. The AK-47 is one of the lightest assault rifles in the world. This is due to the fact that the rifle is made from stamped sheet metal rather than machined components. This makes the rifle very easy to carry around all day, even in hot climates. In addition, the AK-47's lightweight makes it very easy to maneuver and shoot accurately. This is because the rifle's balance and weight distribution make it very stable. Finally, the AK-47's lightweight makes it very versatile. Soldiers can use the rifle for a variety of tasks without worrying about becoming exhausted. For example, the rifle can be used to engage targets at long range, to suppress enemy fire from a distance, or to fight in close quarters combat. Overall, the AK-47's lightweight is one of the main reasons for its popularity as an assault rifle. No. 2. High rate of fire. The AK-47 has a cyclic rate of fire of around 600 rounds per minute. This is one of the fastest rates of fire of any assault rifle in the world. This rate of fire is due to the fact that the AK-47's gasoporade, rotating bolt action, is very efficient. This allows the rifle to cycle through rounds very quickly, giving the user a significant advantage in firefights. In addition, the AK-47's high rate of fire makes it very effective at suppressing enemy fire. This is because the volume of fire from the AK-47 can quickly pin down enemy soldiers, making them unable to return fire. Finally, the AK-47's high rate of fire makes it very useful for engaging multiple targets. With such a fast rate of fire, the user can easily hit multiple targets in quick succession, giving him or her a significant advantage in a firefight. Overall, the AK-47's high rate of fire is one of the main reasons for its popularity as an assault rifle. No. 1. Used by many countries. The AK-47 is used by the military and police forces of more than 100 countries. This is the most widely used assault rifle in the world. This popularity is due to the fact that the AK-47 is a very effective weapon that is also very affordable. The AK-47 is so effective that it has been used in countless conflicts around the world. It has proven itself to be a reliable and accurate weapon that can kill enemy combatants at a very high rate. In addition, the AK-47 is very affordable compared to other assault rifles on the market. It is much cheaper to purchase and maintain than many other similar weapons. This makes it a very attractive option for militaries and police forces around the world. Finally, the AK-47 is very easy to obtain on the black market. This is because the weapon is so popular that there is a huge supply of them available. This makes it a very convenient weapon for criminals and terrorists to use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it.